Get into the 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This versatile three-row Pathfinder delivers muscular capability and quiet comfort. Epic family road trips, towing, carpooling, and weekend drives are peaceful and relaxing in this can-do SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, tire pressure monitoring system, third row seat, stability control, locking limited slip differential, traction control, intermittent wipers. You deserve the strength and security this Pathfinder has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.